Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm just gonna record a short video, right? Today I'm just gonna talk about this thing, which is the infotainment system in this car, right? So previously, someone asked me in the comments, right? They were asking if we are able to use the navigation while listening to the music, right? So actually, that's a pretty good question because personally, I have no idea, right? So let's try it out together, okay? Okay, so the first thing is to pick a location, right? Let's try to pick a location. First of all, we have to uh, open the navigation, okay? So, hi Proton.
Yes, I'm here.
Open navigation. Okay, so we are entering the navigation app. Let's probably try to go home, right? Because I've set up my home address in here. Hi Proton.
I'm listening.
Navigate home.
Oops.
Okay. 1.
Sorry, I missed that. Try saying the list number.
1.
Okay, Route 1. Guidance to destination is starting. Estimated time. BDC Lorong F6. Destination
Yeah,
weather
so
and
okay.
showers and turn left.
I have just currently picked the destination, right? So basically we are navigating back home to my place, right? So now the thing is we're gonna test if we can actually listen to music while still be able to use the navigation, right? Okay, let's try to drive to the destination, right? So this is basically my residential area, so my house is not that far, so we're just gonna use the back roads, right? So we can drive slowly and test out this thing right here. Okay, so let's go. Now the first thing we have to do now is basically try playing the music, right? Because as you see, the navigation is working. Okay, now let's try to play some music.
Here, turn right.
Hi Proton.
Good evening, Ian. Be careful while you're driving.
Play music.
Okay, here is online music.
Okay, as you can see, the music is playing. So let's see if the navigation is still working. Oh yeah, the navigation is still working, guys. Good news. Navigation is still working. So you can basically listen to music while using the navigation, guys. So good thing. Good news for you. Yeah.
Turn left and leave the roundabout. Soon turn right.
So yeah, guys. Let me say this again.
Here, turn right.
You can use the navigation while playing music on your car, right? So don't worry about not being able to use the navigation or whatsoever, right? Hi Proton.
I'm listening.
Pause music. Okay guys, so that's basically it. So yeah guys, what I was trying to say earlier is that you can use the navigation app while listening to music. So not a problem guys. Not a problem. Hi Proton.
Yes, I'm here.
Exit navigation.
Okay.
Itu dia guys. boleh je kalau nak pakai navigation apps, lepas tu nak dengar lagu, boleh guys, boleh, tak ada masalah. Jangan takut. Okay. So kalau nak dengar lagu tapi tak nak lagu tu kena kacau apa tu navigation, tak apa, boleh, dia boleh run sekali together kan, together. So no problem lah. Okay guys, so itu je kita nak cakap hari ni pasal function kereta ni. Okay. So yeah guys, that's about it. That was just a quick video to show you that basically you can use the navigation system while listening to music on this infotainment system in the Proton Persona MC2. Right, jadi jangan takut nak pakai infotainment ni. Okay, taklah susah sangat. Okay, yang penting kena belajar macam mana nak pakai ni. Sebab kalau dah bayar 60,000, jangan sia-siakan duit tu. Make sure pakailah benda-benda ni sebab dia sangat berguna kan. So basically you boleh dengar lagu, lepas tu time dah dengar lagu tu boleh juga pakai navigation pada masa yang sama. Okay. So kalau belum tahu lagi macam mana nak pakai benda ni, boleh tengok video I yang lepas. I ada buat macam review yang macam mana nak cakap, yang detail lah pasal infotainment ni. Okay. So guys, I guess that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, right? And see you again in the next video. Alright, so thank you and have a nice day guys. Ciao.